easy, put on your head, people at the door wig. You know that wig that you, oh shoot, somebody knocking at the door, let me go grab my wig. That's the kind of wig this is. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about this real quick, easy Bobbi Boss wig on my head. There ain't much to tell you guys. Did y'all just hear how country I got on my head? Anyway, we talk about this Faith unit from Bobbi Boss. If you want to see how I put this wig on, how I feel about her, all that jazz, stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me and hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Putting on this wig. This wig is from the Bobbi Boss Lace collection. This is the style MLF430 Faith. I got that right, y'all. I was not fumbling with the social security number this time. MLF430 Faith. Bam! That's what she is. All right, y'all. So the color that I have is TT427613. I was fumbling with that. Why did I struggle? So this is a typical everyday easy lace part wig. It comes with this lace part in the middle. It says it's a 3-prong curl cool crimp wave. It says cool, so that's why I emphasize cool. And this also is that MediFresh Safe and Clean Cap. I reviewed one of these last week or sometime before this review. I don't know. Y'all know I don't know how I'm gonna post this stuff, but I already reviewed one from the same kind of cap collection, and it says that these MediFresh caps are supposed to be safe and clean cap. It blocks UV rays, antibacterial, and great for ventilation. I feel like we should have had that all the time, but that's what they're stressing with this one. Okay, so it says health and beauty have come together. Okay, Bobbi. Okay, that's how we selling the wigs now. All right now. So this wig is really easy. Like I said, all it comes with is that lace part. This cap, to me, it's fitting, but it is a little tight. Again, I reviewed a cap like this in this collection last week, and the caps just feel a little snug to me. But she is for the most part coming down. She is a little small. This one seems a little smaller than the other one, but it's still as tight. As far as the style, this is a basic crimp style. I kind of wish it had a little bit more layers in it. I just feel like they cut it and crimped it. Like, I don't know. I just wish it had a little bit more dimension in here. But she's still a plop and go. You know, you could probably put some layers in here. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It's something about this wig that's just there. You're just there. You're not giving me anything extra. I thought at first this would have been like that Bobbi Boss Amber wig, but no, it's different. It's different. It's a crimp. It's a 3-prong crimp. Easy, put on your head, people at the door wig. You know that wig that you, oh shoot, somebody knocking at the door, let me go grab my wig. That's the kind of wig this is. But she's okay, okay? Is it my favorite? I don't know. She ain't. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about her. The texture is really soft. It's actually more silkier for this style, but it's really soft. It's just a basic everyday wig. As far as shedding, I was getting a little bit of shedding coming out, but I think that's just the way I cut the lace. I feel like the lace is a good color. I did not have to use, and ooh, that was the wrong lace I grabbed from another wig. As far as the lace goes, this is the lace here. I did not have to put any lace tint spray or anything. If you're a little bit lighter than me, this might be a little bit too dark for you, but this is the color of the lace. That's that. Powder in the part in space, and boom, she comes with some baby hairs. When we have wigs that look like this, I don't mess with baby hairs and all that stuff, because this ain't no frontal. This is a put on your head wig, okay? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button because I got some more stuff coming up for y'all. And also check my description box, guys. I review a lot of wigs. I know last year I said I'm kind of over it, but I think I lied. I will be reviewing a lot of wigs, and I also sell them just as quick as I review them. So check that description box because I sell my wigs. But I do have a lot more content coming up for you guys as far as switching it up a little bit. So stay tuned if you want to see some beauty, if you want to see some makeup. Stay tuned. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Flashback.
So I'm back putting on this wig. I already had... I got that right, y'all. I wasn't fumbling with the... Oh, damn. This same kind of fresh... From the same kind of scalp. And also hit that... And also check that notification.
End of flashback.